Looking for premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are expected to open lower this morning as a fall in commodity prices could weigh on the index, while uncertainty around rate hikes from the central banks of Australia and New Zealand and the US Federal Reserve could further dampen investor sentiment. Yesterday, the benchmark closed 0.3% lower. Looking to some big business news from this morning now, and Qantas Airways has posted first half profit at the top end of its forecast range with an underlying profit before tax of $1.43 billion for the 6 months ending 31st of December, compared with a loss of $1.28 billion made last year and its own forecast range of $1.35 billion to $1.45 billion. They announced a $500 million share buyback. Demand for air travel rebounded strongly despite higher fares. Qantas Chief Executive Alan Joyce said supply chain and resourcing issues meant capacity hasn't kept up with demand. Qantas warned ongoing challenges in the industry, including aircraft manufacturer delays, supply chain snarls and labour constraints, continued to adversely affect operations. Bega reported a net profit loss of 74% to $7.3 million in the 6 months to December from a year ago, despite an 11.1% rise in revenue. The group has been impacted by significant inflationary cost pressure, including elevated prices for farm gate milk, reflecting strong global dairy commodity prices in calendar year 2022. The interim dividend declared fell 1 cent to 4.5 cents per share. The Nine Entertainment Group report their half-year revenue, excluding specific items, is up 5% to $1.41 billion. Half-year net profit from ordinary activities after tax is at $183.1 million versus $203.5 million from the prior corresponding period. The company has declared an interim dividend of 6 cents per share. Well, it's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.26%. The S&P 500 fell 0.16%, while the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.13%. Across the Atlantic and European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE fell 0.6%. Frankfurt added 0.01%, while Paris closed 0.1% lower. Brent crude dropped 2.7% to $80.80 a barrel, and spot gold dropped 0.4% to $1,828 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.